Hey guys, it's Himal and this is the new Samsung Galaxy J6. Infinity display is what we get at a much affordable price now, a feature that is mostly offered by Samsung in flagship phones only. So, how does the Galaxy J6 stand out? Starting with the Infinity display, the Galaxy J6 has massive 5.6-inch Super AMOLED display. Although it's not full HD, the display comes with the unique 18.5:9 aspect ratio, which makes it very much comfortable to hold and operate using one hand. As a trade-off for the unique aspect ratio display, not all videos work fine. Yes, the blackbursts interfere. Another downside is that it lacks ambient light sensor, which means the display brightness has to be adjusted manually. Like some other phones of the J series, J6 has its speakers on the top right side of it, so there is now no chance of having it blocked by the hand while playing Asphalt 8 or watching Netflix episodes. Listening to music or watching movies can be more enjoyable on J6 as it features Dolby Atmos sound quality with the headphones on. With Dolby Atmos, the sound experience is much more immersive and the difference is noticeable. As the security option, the fingerprint sensor is present at a much better position than that of the S8, mounted on the back. Personally, I didn't find it quite impressive considering the price tag. Alternatively, Samsung has included Face Unlock, which I would say struggles in low light but works just fine in wet lit conditions, although being slow. As far as the cameras are concerned, we get a 13MP sensor at the back and a 8MP selfie shooter at the front, both with f1.9 aperture. It has tons of shooting modes for both the cameras. It has got sticker mode for many filters to choose from, like those in Snapchat or Instagram. Personally, I'm not much impressed by the rear camera as it struggles with the color reproduction, sharpness, and in some cases the dynamic range as well. Particularly, what's more irritating is its slow autofocus when a subject is framed for capturing a quick shot or recording a video. However, in low light, both these cameras work moderately well, thanks to their wide apertures. When it comes to performance, I must say I found it quite satisfying. With the old Exynos 7870 chipset, Mali GPU, and 3 or 4GB of RAM inside, multitasking is very easy and smooth on J6 and the device does not heat up so easily even after using it for a long time. From the software perspective, Samsung Exynos 9 on top of Android Oreo provides better platform for fast transitions, animations, and an overall user interface. Gaming on this phone can be challenging when playing graphics-intensive games. However, the performance is pretty decent for the mediocre ones and worth the price tag. Finally, the power-saving chipset adds more juice to the battery life of the J6. The 3000 mAh battery fits in very well for this smartphone. It can easily last for a day without charging. But the drawback gets noticed when charging this phone up. This procedure is very slow and takes more than 2.5 hours for full charge. With a headphone jack and no notch in 2018, Samsung is running completely opposite way of other smartphone brands and many consumers absolutely love their way of approach. So, would you pick up a Galaxy J6? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.